So hi everybody, today we're taking a look at a magnetic wireless power bank for your phone, sent to me by BENKS. It's really good. I've been using it for a while. Works great. Charges your phone when you're on the go and you forgot your cord to the car or plug, wherever you are. This here is a great backup. Works excellent. So stay tuned. We'll go ahead, we'll open up the box and I'll show you what it looks like. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, you like what you're seeing, please click on that like and subscribe button, ring that bell. This way you know when I go ahead and I put up some more videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. So today we're taking a look at the magnetic wireless power bank sent to me by BENKS with 10,000 mAh for fast charging. It is lightweight. It is magnetic, which is good, sticks right to the back of your phone. And it's very low temperature. This way it doesn't overheat. So this is good. It's strong. It's durable. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and open up the box. When you open up the cover of the box, this is how you greet it. The device is behind a protective plastic, still inside the box, so this way it doesn't get damaged, scratched, or anything else. Very nice packaging. So now everything is taken out of the box. On the left-hand side, you do have a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. Right in the center, you do have your device. And on the bottom, if you see on the device, that's where you go ahead and you plug in the USB-C. And then, of course, the USB-A will go to a charging block. To the right of that, you do have a little user guide, but it's very simple. All you got to do is plug it into the wall, charge it, make sure it's fully charged before you carry it with you. This is what the back of the device looks like. In that round circle, that's where the magnetic part is that sticks right to your phone. And let me tell you, it is so strong, the magnet, it's not going to fall off. On the side here, there is a little button. When it is connected to your phone, you press this button and it tells you exactly how much power you have left in your power bank. So here's my phone. Here it is, the BENKS power base. You see we do have 4 white lights. That means it is fully charged. Let's go ahead and put it on the back of my phone. I will go to the green light. That shows now that it is charging the phone. Also, let me show you. See, it is not going to come off. It is staying on here. Not bad at all. Works really great. It's a great product by BENKS. There will be a description down below. So this way you can go ahead and purchase yourself one of the magnetic wireless power banks by BENKS. Remember, 10,000 mAh for fast charging. Thank you to BENKS for sending me this so this way I can show my subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.